Okay, so this is the day on the farm.
Yeah.
Desi, what did you do?
I had to pick up sticks.
Why?
Because if we bring the tractor or vehicle here, we'll get flat tires if we do not pick up the sticks.
Okay, why do we have so many sticks?
Because we had to cut down Russian olives and
Russian olive trees?
and they all fell on our side of the fence. And now we have to pick up the sticks.
And the ones that didn't fall on our side of the fence, did we huck them over?
Yes, sadly. But at least we get to burn them to ash.
Well, what we're going to do is haul these down to the creek bed. So hopefully we can burn them later. You ready to show us how you drive?
Yes.
There's Dad loading some more on the back of the trailer bed. All right, here we go. Des? Probably put it by the fence so it doesn't get spilt.
Wait, where are we driving? Oh.
Callie, what did you have to do with the diesel? I don't think I can hear you talking.
I had to put it on trucks, and it was really, really heavy.
Do you want to demonstrate?
Okay. You get the diesel. You slowly trudge over here. And then pour it on the truck. Voila.
All right, that is supposed to kill the Russian olive, which is a weed tree that spreads everywhere and has humongous thorns. Check out these thorns. These are some smaller ones. But yes, when those poke you, they hurt.
Yeah.
There are some much larger ones on the bigger branches. All right. Des, let's see if you can get this baby started.
Y'all get used to it. Wait, where are we driving?
Down to the creek bed, so we're gonna go through these gates. What is this little vehicle we're driving in?
Side by side?
Side by side?
I thought it was a swamp donkey.
It is a swamp donkey. It's just the name of the vehicle.
We nicknamed it the Swamp Donkey.
What? Wait. Oh, no, this is the swamp donkey. We have another one called the Donkey Swamp.
So we have the Swamp Donkey and the Donkey Swamp. Some holes in the ground from lots of prairie dogs. They become a nuisance and ruin our fields.
A big nuisance.
So Des is just following the tractor tracks. Desert in our backyard. Really pretty. Some cool hikes. Indian ridings. How you doing, Des?
Good.
Okay, so we're gonna pull over here. Be careful, because we dumped that first load right here and we don't want a flat tire. So we can go a little further because we're going to want to see, there's our pile. We're gonna add to that pile. Okay, nice.
I've got to take all the sticks away.
I almost wonder if they couldn't get a little closer. You guys want to chuck them?
Mom, this is the stick yesterday that was beating up that other stick. Remember?
Who threw that the furthest?
What? What are you trying to throw it the farthest?
What?
I'm just trying to get at the grass.
Isn't everything a competition?
You have to make it in the pile. Get at the back of the bow. Hey, back to the bow.
All right, we will pause the video for a minute while we unload these sticks.